Animated surprise eggs. Hi kids, let's learn colors and sizes with surprise eggs. Yay! What's inside the red egg? It's a police monster truck and it's blue. What's inside the purple egg? It's a garbage truck and it's orange. An orange garbage truck. Yay! What's inside the blue egg? It's a pickup truck. A red pickup truck. We love surprise eggs. A green egg. I wonder what's inside. It's an ice cream truck! Yay! Ice cream! Ice cream, everybody! Yummy! A giant surprise egg! Yay! What's inside the yellow giant surprise egg? It's a truck! A green truck! Yay! Well done, kids! Let's learn sizes. Smallest. Small. Big. Bigger. Biggest. Yay! Click subscribe and join our community. See you at the next lesson.